Hi and welcome to this video of the updated PEANUT Jig. After some feedback from some PEANUT Jig users, we've made 5 key changes which we'll be showing you. One new feature is the insert slot. This is designed to do a loose tenon. It's also designed to do a longer PEANUT slot. This allows you to knock it flush. It goes past a little bit. If you want to get it flush, you can just tap it in. It's also now compatible with all the drilling bushes. Another new feature is the depth gauge is no longer in the fence, it's now in the main body. This allows you to set up even if your fence is fixed to the main body. On your main body you have your 2 new drilling depth gauges, P2 for your PEANUT 2 and P2S for your PEANUT 2 short. You also have 2 new centre lines, 2 new fixing points. This allows you to screw the jig onto a panel where you can't fix a clamp. And finally, we have this new extended wave design. This gives you more surface area when doing a 45 degree. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave in the comments. For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.